20 common English mistakes. Today we are going to learn about 20 common English mistakes that many English learners make. So let's improve our English together. Mistake number 1. I am agree. No, this is wrong. The correct is I agree. Agree is a verb, so we don't use am before it. Mistake number 2. He don't like tea. The correct is he doesn't like tea. With he, she and it we use doesn't, not don't. Mistake number 3. She has a car. No, she has a car. We with he, she and it we use has. So she has a car. Number 4. I didn't went there. No. Correct is I didn't go there. After didn't we use the base form of the verb. Number 5. I am having two brothers. No, I have two brothers. When we talk about possession or family relationship, we normally use have. Mistake number 6. He is knowing me. He knows me. Know is normally not used in the continuous. Number 7. Discuss about this matter. Discuss this matter. The verb discuss already taken an object. Return back home. Return home. Return already means go back, so back is unnecessary here. Number 9. I have a good news. I have good news. News is an uncountable noun, so we don't say a news. Number 10. She is my cousin's sister. She is my cousin. In standard English, cousin already tells us the relationship. Quick test. Now it's time for a quick test. I will give you the wrong sentence. Try to correct it before I show you the answer. Number 1. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. Number 2. I didn't went to school. The correct is I didn't go to school. Excellent. Let's continue. Number 11. She can sing very well. No, she can sing very well. After modal verbs such as can, we use the base form of the verb. Number 12. He is married with her. No, he is married to her. We say married to, not married with. Mistake number 13. I am going to home. No, I am going home. With home means your place of residence. We normally don't use to before it. Number 14. She is good in English. Oh, the correct is she is good at English. We normally use good at when talking about a skill or ability. Number 5. I am interested to learn English. No, I am interested in learning English. The common structure is interested in plus noun or ing form. 16. He explained me the problem. He explained the problem to me. We say explain something to someone. 17. I have seen him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. When we mention a finished time such as yesterday, we normally use the simple past. Mistake number 18. She is afraid from dogs. No, she is afraid of dogs. The correct expression is afraid of. 19. I have been living here since 5 years. I have been living here 5 years. Use since for the starting point. Since 2021 use for a period of time. 30. Let's discuss about the problem. Let's discuss the problem. Again, remember discuss does not normally need about before its object. Now quick test. Now let's see how much you have learned. Correct this sentence before I give you the answer. She can sing well. She can sing well. Number 2. I am going to home. I am going home. Number 3. He is good at English. He is good at English. 4. I saw him yesterday or I have seen him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. She is afraid from dogs. It is very easy. I know you all can guess it correctly. She is afraid of dogs. Great job. Today we learned 20 common English mistakes. Remember, don't just watch English lesson, practice speaking them. Choose 5 sentences from today's lesson and say each one aloud 3 times. The more you practice, the more naturally English will come to you. If this lesson helped you improve your English, please like the video and subscribe to Quick teacher tube. In the next lesson, we will learn more practical English through an easy everyday conversation. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.